my beautiful stars, I hope that you're doing so well today. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. I'm so happy that you're here. So better late than never, right? As you can see from the title, this is what I got for Christmas 2024. The classic disclaimer. Extremely grateful for everything that I received this year. I never expect anything, but I'm always grateful and always happy to buy presents for my friends and my family. Gift giving is like one of my favorite things ever. I love to buy things for people, and it's so fun to like watch their faces when they open their stuff up. Thought I would just jump right into it to save some time. Also quick, I meant to film this like several weeks ago, but I got the flu on Christmas Eve, and then I've been just bogged down with a terrible head cold right after it. I am finally on the mend, so better late than never, right? So let's just get right into it. I hope that you all had a really great holiday, whether you celebrate Christmas or any other holiday. Oh my gosh, that scared me. In no particular order, I should just go in, right? Okay. So from one of my gal pals, Katrina, she got me this cross stitch kit, and it's a LaCroix, which is so fitting. I am so excited. If you want to buy something similar, it's by the brand The Stranded Stitch. It looks fun. They have a website. So got that, and then she got each of us a pair of earrings that like represented something she thought like represented us, and she got it in her, like, she lives in a smaller town, so at one of those small businesses, and it's a cute little kitty cat playing with a ball of yarn, and they're wooden, so they're so beautifully made, and I think these will be so funky and fun to wear. If you don't know, I have like a very large eclectic jewelry collection, and earrings are like one of my favorite things to accessorize with. I kind of downplayed it today, but I have some funky ones, and they were my favorite things. Jessie, she made us all a candle and had it represent, or like have like a word that represents something about us. I thought it was so sweet, and I love the smell of it. And I love the style of it. This is such a fun idea. So thank you, Jessie. And then she also made us an ornament, and I misplaced it already, so I feel terrible. I don't know what happened to it. I literally thought I put everything in my bag after we had met for Christmas, and because we did a gal pal's Christmas, and I looked at my bag and I can't find it. But to paint a picture for you, it's of a loon, and we all went to a cabin up north for the summer. Well, not for the whole summer, but in August as like a little gal pal getaway weekend, and it was to represent that because we heard the loons on the lake, and it was beautiful. And then she got me this book nook. Oh my gosh. Like literally such a fun present. I have been wanting one of these forever, and she knew that. I don't even know how she knew that. I must have said it at some point. And it is the cutest. It's a little garden house. So fitting. My friend Sydney, she bought one and created one, and I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so fun to make. So very excited to do this. I have plenty of crafts in my future. Super excited. Jumping around to my mom, she got me a Dunkin' gift card. I actually forgot that I got this, and so when I was looking in my bag, I have had this bag of presents in my bedroom the past couple weeks because I've been recovering, and it was not pretty. You would have not wanted a video from me. Yeah, so this was a treat to like see everything again that I got. So excited about that. And then she got each of my sisters and I some like wine related socks, which is so cute. So I got these like rosé ones, and then my sisters each got like a grape. So Lauren got red grapes, and then Sarah got white or like green grapes. So really cute. Always need socks. And then I also asked for this, and I'm so excited. It is the Clinique My Happy Eau de Parfum in cocoa and cashmere. If my face doesn't say it already, it smells divine. I haven't really talked about my perfume obsession on YouTube. TikTok, they're well aware, but yeah, this is magical. I've been wanting it for months, and I just haven't purchased it for myself because I have a few perfumes in my collection and I don't need any more. So I'm happy to receive one as a gift, and it just smells divine. It says, blissful, like the first taste of a decadent dessert. Trigger cozy memories of baked treats, cocoa absolute, vanilla, and musk accords. It smells like a hug in a mug. And my mom also got me a face mask, and that's in my bathroom. Otherwise I would show it to you guys. From my pal Gabby, she got each Meg and I a matching ornament with a picture of us from the beach this summer in it, which is so cute. It's hanging on the tree. I still have my tree up. I still have this one up because I've been wanting to film this video, but so cute and very thoughtful. And then she let us pick our own Bath & Body Works hand soap. I love foaming hand soap, one of the little things in life that I really love. And I got the scent Winter, which I'll read the notes for you. It is spiced orange, fir balsam, and clove buds. Clove smells so yummy, so really excited to use that. And then these two go together. She got me a candle warmer lamp, which I've also been kind of wanting because I love candles. I love making them, I love buying them and burning them, all the things. But again, one of like the little things that are so fun to enjoy. I'm not gonna lie, I have accidentally left one burning overnight before. Yes, don't yell at me. It is very scary. I can't believe I've done it. I mean, I feel like a lot of people have, but it's really scary. And fires are no joke. So I am excited to have this as an option for my bedroom. Luckily, I did not leave the candle burning in my bedroom. It was like in a more open space, but that's still really scary. And I have 2 cats, so then I was just like guilt tripping myself the rest of the day after I learned that I left it burning. But I think this will be a really good option for like maybe when I'm preoccupied with other stuff. I think that's when I usually leave it lit longer. So really cute. I've always wanted one. And then she got me a candle to match, and this is Huntington Homes Holiday Cranberry, and it smells really nice and sweet, but also very clean. So I think this would be perfect for like my office or for the kitchen, even though I just said I want to put it in my bedroom. Then from Miss Megan, she got each of us a book, which is so fun. I got the book Night Shift by Annie Crown. Never heard of it. It is a Wattpad book. So, or it's by Wattpad books. So I don't know if it was like a Wattpad story and then they turned it to a book, but excited to read it nonetheless. The little snippet at the top, not the whole synopsis, it says, when a college bookworm and the campus basketball star share a sexy encounter in the library stacks, things get complicated. Love to see it. And then she got us jelly cats. So last year Gabby got me a crescent moon jelly cat. I love all things whimsical and celestial. I've always loved like the moon, the stars, all that stuff. So the moon is so sweet. And then one of my favorite things ever since I was a little girl, I've talked about this before on my channel, but like, did you ever have that one thing that you were obsessed with? It might have been an animal, it could have been a fruit, or just like something you thought was so cute. And I feel like this was very like 2000s coded, Justice Limited 2 vibes. I was obsessed with cherries and peace signs. Loved those. I had peace sign necklaces, cherry earrings, cherry headband, cherry shirts. Like, so the cherry jelly cat is just a little cute ode to 7-year-old me. And this marks my 3rd jelly cat. And then I have a jelly cat keychain that my sister Lauren got us. My sister and I have them all matching. It's a little coffee cup, and it's from the New York one, like the New York store. Oh my gosh. I feel like you can never have too many. These are things that I think bring people of all ages together. Look at it. Still needs a name, so please comment name ideas or suggestions down below. Happy to hear them. And Meg got us these Gizu honey infused lip oils in strawberry sorbet. It is stunning. I can't wait to, I've already actually cracked it open, but I put it back in for the video. And I've been eyeing this as well. And she pulled it out of her bag and was like putting it on, and I was like, do you like that? And she goes, yes. And I'm like, I really want one. And she said, wait until Christmas. And I go, okay. So I was patient and waited until Christmas. And last but not least, from Miss Meg, she got me this dress up Harry Styles, which is so funny. Love Harry. I hope he's doing well. And this just is so fun. I Can't wait to play with this. It reminds me a lot. I had this like wooden teddy bear kit, and you could like sew in these, well not sew, but like you would lace up outfits because there's like a wooden box. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Reminiscent of this. And I also had paper dolls growing up, so that is also very fun. For my sister Loren, she got me this Good Molecules pineapple exfoliating powder. I love Good Molecules. It's so good and it's quite inexpensive. It's at Ulta. I don't know if they have it at Target or not, but really like this stuff. And then she got me a few books. I think these came from a Little Free Library because she FaceTimed me and she was like, do you like any of these? And they had some really good books in there. So super grateful. She got me Wild by Cheryl Strayed, Weather Girl by Rachel Lynn Solomon, and Good Neighbors by Sarah Langan. So if you've read any of these, let me know. I've seen Weather Girl at the library and I almost grabbed it, and then I've seen Wild a lot at the thrift store. So I'm intrigued. I'm excited to read those. Oh, Gabby also got us these. I'm glad I was looking. She got us such cute stickers, like adorable stickers. So I'll do a quick flash round. So cute and very grateful. I love stickers and these are so fun. And my sister Sarah, she got me some fun stuff. I love Olive and June press-on nails. I don't know if Olive and June will ever see my YouTube videos, but if you do, I love you. I don't expect anything, but I just love you, know that. And she got me some fun ones. I've used these ones. These are like one of my favorites. And then these fun like opal-y ones, and then the little hearts. She also got me this ColourPop volumizing mascara in purple, which I love colored mascara. So fun. I have like burgundy and I've used blue. I love brown too. And then she got me the press-on nail glue from Olive and June, and some Uplift Energizing Essential Oil in Peppermint and Jasmine by Lilac 11. And I love stuff like this, carrying them in my purse. So that is everything I got for Christmas. My coworkers also gifted me some wonderful things, which I'm so grateful. They've already been put to use. They were gift cards for coffee places, so already using those. So thank you guys. I hope that you're all doing well and staying healthy. I know that it's kind of going around, at least in Minnesota. So I hope that you're all staying healthy and well, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, shine bright. Bye!